Hey, what up? It is your girl MD and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. So, I haven't taken pictures in a really long time and we're going to do that today, and I'm going for a bigger, fuller, longer look. CURLSQUEEN sent me these clip-ins, so they're going to really be the star of the show. So yeah, let's get into it. Starting out on blown out hair, it's not perfect, but you get the vibes. I'm sure the majority of you guys know how to do this, but just in case, let's review it anyway. So, blew out my hair. I parted my hair with my fingers. Does not have to be perfect. And then I'm taking one strip of the clip-ins and I'm just literally clipping it into my head. I'll show you a close-up in a second. Clip-ins are a great option if you're trying to spice it up with a little color but you don't want to fully commit to the color, or if you're just looking for more length and or volume. Again, for those that don't know, the little comb will slide in and then you just clip it shut. Pretty simple. So these are handcrafted clip-in extensions. Honestly, I love how seamlessly it just blends in with my hair. CURLSQUEEN has a variety of options though, everything from curly to coarse textures, 3A to 4C, so honestly there's a little something for everyone, but I will link the exact ones that I have, so make sure you check them out. You are going to get a total of 10. I used all of them except for the single strip clip. Okay, so let's get to curling this hair. So the tools that I am using: a wand curler, a heat resistant glove. I prefer using one. I would recommend using one. You can easily find a cheap one on Amazon for a couple dollars. A heat protectant, of course, and then probably some clips and hair ties to pin your hair up as you go. So first things first, I always spray every individual piece before I curl it with a heat protectant. It's a proper way to curl your hair. I believe you're supposed to curl it away from your face, but honestly, I just do whatever feels natural. I start as close to the base of my head as possible, and then I just wrap the hair around the wand until you cannot wrap anymore. I hold it there for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then I take it out. And when I take the curl off, that's why the glove is essential, because number one, you're burning your hand 24/7 if you do not have a glove on your hand. But I take hair off of the wand with my gloved hand and I just hold the curl in my hand, and then boom, I let it go. You can also pin curl it, especially if you're styling your hair at night. Like I have wand curled my hair at night and then pin curled it, and in the morning they were perfect. If I am using hairspray, I will spray my hair as soon as I release it from my hand. It just depends on the vibe that you're going with. Like when you use a bigger barrel, it's more going to be like wave, like beachy wave hair. But if you use a smaller one, then clearly you're going to get more ringlet-like curls and they will last longer. I typically do not use hairspray, but my hair also does hold curl very well. And honestly, they hold up for the majority of the week. Yes, they do fall and get a little loose, but they still look good. So a little pro tip, if you have not mastered the curling wand just yet, yes, it does take practice, is, well, number one, you need a glove. That will make a world of difference if you have one. You want to take your curling hand, so the hand that you're holding the wand in, and just rest it, anchor it on your head, like make it more stable, so then it is going to be a lot easier to wrap your hair around the wand. I hope that makes sense. Other than pin curling, another great way to preserve these to make it last throughout the week is at night, just put your hair up in a pineapple and you should be good to go. Let's speed through the rest of this, but I just wanted to quickly note that even though you guys do not see me spraying heat protectant, I am spraying protectant on each individual piece. I have not curled my hair like this in a really long time. Like typically I will do it half up, half down and just curl the back because it takes me like all of 15 minutes. But I am obsessed with this look. Love it. I need my hair to grow so it looks like this all the time. I feel like a normal paranoid thought is someone is definitely going to be able to tell that you have clip-ins, that you have extra hair in your hair, but really, you can't even tell where my hair starts and where the clip-ins begin, and I love that for us. Okay, let's put a half up, half down. Let's see which one I like better. Usually my go-to is half up, half down. Let me know which one you guys like better. This is cute too, and the transition from all down to some up was easy. I honestly thought that I was going to like my hair all out over half up, half down, but honestly I love how both styles look. I think it just kind of depends on the vibe that you're going with, but I really love how my hair turned out. Again, I will leave a link to these exact clip-ins down below, but maybe these aren't your vibe, you want something closer to your natural pattern. They have that as well, so make sure you definitely check them out. Okay, I feel like I need to go somewhere. I can't waste this hair. But yeah, I'm going to definitely go take some pictures. I'll post them on Instagram eventually, so make sure you guys are following me. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with another video. And yeah, like always, I love you. I appreciate you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.